Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have an ankle brace. So we're gonna give this thing a little try here. So if you hurt your ankle, you'll have a brace now. So let's see how this thing will work. I'm sure there's instructions in there, so let me look at that just to make sure I'm doing this right. And it's gonna look like that. So let's see, how do we do this here? Excuse me. Take this off for right now. Take that out. A lot of Velcro on here. There we go. And then my foot will go through like so. I don't know, can you see me over here? I think this is where you can see me. I guess I should have opened it up more to put it on. See if I can do that. There's that one, and then this will go here, and have this, which goes around. Okay, so there we go. So now I have an ankle brace on, and it seems to be fairly supportive. I guess we can adjust the different straps and things to make it more tight or looser or whatever as I need. But you get the idea. It's an ankle brace, and it seems to be a nice solid one here. So if you're still trying to be active and wear a brace, this is probably a good one for you. Let me take this off and I'll show you close. So yeah, so if you wanted to use one, you see it's got the plastic sides on both sides. It looks like it'll work either side. And then here's the stretchy part here. We could make that, that's where it's gonna hold underneath, I guess, to pull it up. And just seems like a nice little ankle brace. Better than just wrapping it with tape or something like that. This is going to give you definitely more support. It's got a little leatherish strap on the bottom, so it'll make it more durable. And it's going to look like that. Let's see if it has any other instructions on the inside. Here's some more details on how to use it and the different sizes there. I guess my size is probably a medium. Is that what I got here? I don't think so. But you get the idea. Pretty cool. Nice little device. Thumbs up.